Welcome to Holistic Wellness Practices, where we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate yoga, meditation, and alternative therapies into your daily life. I'm Coach Katrina, and I've dedicated my life to helping people discover the transformative power of these practices. My journey began with yoga, a practice that helped me reconnect with myself and find inner peace. This book is crafted to guide you on a similar path to balance and well-being. Holistic wellness is about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit, much like tending to a garden. Each part needs care to flourish. Understanding the mind-body connection is crucial. Your mental and emotional states influence your physical health. For instance, stress can manifest as physical symptoms like headaches or fatigue. By addressing the whole self, you can achieve a more balanced and harmonious life. Yoga, originating thousands of years ago in India, is more than physical exercise. It's a union of body and mind. There are various types of yoga, such as hatha, focusing on physical postures, and vinyasa, which connects breath with movement. Starting your practice might feel overwhelming, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Choose a style that resonates with you, find a class or online resource, and listen to your body's signals. As you progress, integrate breathwork and meditation to deepen your practice. Meditation is a powerful tool for inner peace. It helps manage stress, improve concentration, and foster emotional balance. I remember starting my meditation practice, feeling skeptical at first. However, with consistent practice, I noticed a significant reduction in stress. There are various techniques to explore, such as mindfulness, which focuses on being present, and transcendental meditation, which uses a mantra. Start small, perhaps just 5 minutes a day, and gradually build your practice. Consistency is key. Alternative therapies offer additional pathways to healing beyond conventional medicine. Techniques like acupuncture, Ayurveda, and Reiki can complement traditional treatments. While they might not always have the same level of scientific validation, many people find them effective. I personally experienced relief from chronic pain through acupuncture. Explore different therapies, consult practitioners, and see what resonates with you. Keeping a journal of your experiences can be helpful in tracking what works best for you. Nutrition plays a vital role in holistic wellness. Eating a balanced diet with whole foods can enhance overall well-being. Incorporating superfoods like chia seeds and kale, and considering supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, can support your health. However, always consult a healthcare provider before starting new supplements. Mindful eating, where you pay attention to your food and eat without distractions, can help you enjoy meals more and make healthier choices. Self-care is essential for maintaining holistic wellness. Activities that nurture your mind, body, and spirit, such as relaxing baths or quiet walks, can help you recharge. Creating a sacred space in your home, whether it's a meditation corner or a calming environment, can enhance your wellness practices. Effective stress management involves a combination of techniques like yoga, meditation, and mindfulness. Identify activities that help you relax and incorporate them into your routine. Reading about others' success stories can be inspiring. For instance, I've worked with clients who transformed their lives through holistic practices. Connecting with a community of like-minded individuals can provide support and encouragement. Whether through local groups, online forums, or social media, find a network that aligns with your wellness goals. Regularly evaluate and adjust your practices to maintain your progress and stay committed to your journey. As we conclude this exploration of holistic wellness, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. Celebrate your progress and embrace the ongoing process of self-discovery and growth. Holistic wellness is a lifelong adventure, and integrating yoga, meditation, and alternative therapies into your daily life can create a more harmonious and fulfilling existence. Continue exploring resources like books, websites, and communities dedicated to holistic practices to support your ongoing journey. Thank you for joining me on this path to holistic wellness. I hope this guide serves as a valuable resource as you navigate your own journey towards balance and well-being. Remember, the path to wellness is unique for each individual, and finding what works best for you is part of the adventure. Here's to your continued exploration and growth in holistic wellness.